Bored with the same old trading strategies? Or do you want to experience consistent profits in a short amount of time? Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Strategy Explorer channel. In this video, we will share one of the best scalping strategies with optimal settings that you can use for trading on any asset. We will reveal the best Tradingview indicator settings that will change the way you scalp the market. In addition, we will provide the best settings you can use if you want to apply this trading strategy, and we'll show you how to use it for 15-minute Forex scalping. However, this strategy isn't just for Forex, you can also use it on other assets such as gold or xauusd, crypto, stocks, and many more. So, make sure to stay until the end of the video, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Let's get started. If you want to use this scalping strategy, you can go to Tradingview. Then, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type in NSDT Hama Candles. Next, simply select the NSDT Hama Candles indicator from Northstar Day Trading. After that, set up the NSDT Hama Candles indicator. In the Input tab, follow the settings I'm using. Change the length open to 50. Change the length close to 45. Change the MA line length to 100. Once you've made these adjustments, just click OK to confirm the changes. The Hama Candles indicator will be used as a trend guide, as well as a guide for placing market entries. The MA line will be used to guide the market trend, while the Hama Candles will help guide where to place entries in the market. If the price candlestick crosses or closes above the MA line and the EMA line changes to yellow, this indicates a transition from a bearish to a bullish trend. You can place a buy order when the yellow candlestick closes. Conversely, if the price candlestick crosses or closes below the MA line and the EMA line changes to yellow, this indicates a transition from a bullish to a bearish trend. You can place a sell order when the yellow candlestick closes. Here are a few examples of invalid buy and sell signals. When the trend is bearish and there's a transition from a red candle to a yellow candle, it signals a buy. However, if the yellow candlestick closes below the MA line, this is not a valid buy signal. When the trend is bullish and there's a transition from a green candle to a yellow candle, it signals a sell. However, if the yellow candlestick closes above the MA line, this is not a valid sell signal. Now, let's add the second indicator that will be used as a signal filter in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab, and then type in redK momentum bars. After that, simply select redK momentum bars from RedTrader. We will use the redK momentum bars indicator as a signal filter in the market. If the redK momentum bars indicator turns green, it is a confirmation of an uptrend. If the redK momentum bars indicator turns red, it is a confirmation of a downtrend. Now, let's discuss how to use this trading strategy. How to place a buy order. If the candlestick changes from red to yellow, it is a buy signal. However, you must ensure that it is a valid buy signal. Ensure that the candlestick closes or is above the MA line. As confirmation, make sure that the redK momentum bars indicator is green. If all conditions are confirmed, you can place a buy order after the candlestick closes. Place your stop loss at the latest swing low. Use a take profit target with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy order. If the candlestick changes from red to yellow, it is a buy signal. However, you must ensure that it is a valid buy signal. Ensure that the candlestick closes or is above the MA line. As confirmation, make sure that the redK momentum bars indicator is green. If all conditions are confirmed, you can place a buy order after the candlestick closes. Place your stop loss at the latest swing low. Use a take profit target with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the candlestick changes from green to yellow, it is a sell signal. However, you must ensure that it is a valid sell signal. Ensure that the candlestick closes or is below the MA line. As confirmation, make sure that the redK momentum bars indicator is red. If all conditions are confirmed, you can place a sell order after the candlestick closes. Place your stop loss at the latest swing high. Use a take profit target with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain proper money management and keep your trading psychology in check. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's all for now, and see you in the next video.